In this video, I'm going to be sharing top 5 tips you need as a new YouTuber. I listened to an ex-YouTube staff and he made mention of these 5 tips you need as a new YouTuber to grow your YouTube channel. Number one tips that was mentioned is quality. And when we talk about quality, quality is in 4 ways. Your video quality, try as much as you can to edit your video to at least give you a good video quality. And if you need me to do a tutorial on how I'm able to edit my video to bring out this video quality, you can also let me know in the comment section. I am not making use of an iPhone. I am not making use of a Samsung phone. I am making use of just my normal Android phone, and I'm able to get this video quality. So work on your video quality, because before people start listening to what you have to say, the first thing they look at is your video quality. All right. Now, the next quality is your audio quality. Now, if you don't have money to get a mic, try as much as you can to always make your audio quality very, very good, very, very audible. If it takes you to talk at the top of your voice while filming your video because you don't have a mic, you should as well do that, all right? But if you have money to get a microphone, please get a microphone to improve on your audio quality. Because I mean, how will people enjoy your content, or how will people watch your content when they cannot hear what you are saying clearly? Now, the other quality you need to improve on is your content quality. Yes. Now, what you are dishing out, make sure it is quality enough. Make sure people are getting something from the content you are giving out. That way, you'll be able to get people sticking to your YouTube channel. Now, the next tips that this ex-YouTube staff made mention of was you launching your channel with at least 5 videos. A lot of YouTubers don't know this. That was what I did. That helped me in growing this channel to get my 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscription. Okay. Don't launch your channel with just one video, because you doing that, as he said, is going to give YouTube a but you are not actually serious. But if you are launching your channel with at least 5 videos on it, it is sending a good sign to YouTube that you are ready for business, and it's also going to make them push out your video content to other people. Because I mean, how should they push out your video to people when there is only one content on it? So you have to have at least 5 videos on your channel before launching out your YouTube channel. Now, the third tips he made mention was post videos that solve people's problem. All right. Everyone on YouTube, come on YouTube to search for a solution to any of their problem. All right. If you're doing cooking, you should be able to put up good content to solve problem on how to cook different kind of food. Or if you're going into makeup, you should be able to solve problem on people coming on YouTube to search how to do makeup, how to draw your eyebrow, how to line your lips, how to do a lot of things. That's way you can make people to stick to your channel, all right? Because your channel is solving problems. If you are putting up a content that is not solving people problem in one way or the other, it is not going to draw people to your channel. Tips number 4 is having a niche or having a specialty on YouTube. All right. I was once in that class where I would just tell you, just start and try out a lot of things. That was wrong. Before you come on the space of YouTube, you should be able to know what you are good at or what you'll be able to do. All right. Don't just do different things on your channel and expect people to stick to it. Because someone that came to your channel because of the food tutorial you made, and next time is coming back to your channel and is seeing you dropping a makeup video, that person is not going to come back again, because the thing that brought him to your channel, you are no longer doing it. And the person that came into your channel because of the makeup video, next time see you putting something else, will not come back again to watch. So you might only have visitors on a particular video, but you will not have subscribers that are ready to stay. So it is best for you to have a particular niche, so everyone coming to your channel will know that this is the particular thing that you're doing. So when they have a problem on that particular niche, they know the channel to go to. All right. Tips number 5 is researching video topics that people are looking for on YouTube. All right. Whenever people come on YouTube to search, YouTube is going to put out your content for them to watch. All right. A lot of people come on YouTube to search. And how can you do this? You can go to your YouTube studio, will always give you topics that are trending in your niche. So if you're not a friend with your YouTube studio, you're not doing yourself any good. Your YouTube studio will show you trending video topics of trending videos in your niche. So get that and put up a content on that, and you're going to see your channel growing. If you watch this video to this extent, please do me well to click on the subscribe button, click on your bell notification, so when else we upload a video, you'll be aware that we've uploaded a video. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know about your thoughts. And don't forget, this is a place where we can grow together. All right. See you next time on my next video. Bye bye.